All right, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Muddy Magnum Pro Harness. First of all, let's hit it with the new intro. I just shot big boy. So first off, I picked this thing up at Walmart for $25 instead of $50. It's the end of season here, so I can pick it up a lot cheaper. That's why I wanted to do an unboxing video and see if it was worth it, the $25, and see how good it actually performs. So this is an unboxing video. It's not a super in-depth review. I might come back with that later in the fall or some other time when I've actually had time to test it in the tree. But this is an unboxing video and first impressions, so let's get right into it. All right, so just gonna cut open the end. Careful not to cut anything that I don't want cut. Okay. So now, let's lift that up. Rolls out of the package like this. Wow, that is pretty cool. So, fits all nicely into the package here. It's probably 14, 15 inches from end to end. And one thing I really like about it is how unsloppy it is. I unboxed our other one already. We got two of them. And just look at how unsloppy this is. You can pull it out and immediately get into it and not need to worry about getting it all tangled up. It's just already right there. And it's super easy to not get tangled up and confused. So it comes with the actual safety harness here. And this is a suspension relief strap here right into the safety harness. So if you fall, you drop that down over your feet and you can provide relief for your feet. So it also comes with the lineman's belt here and the tree strap. This goes around the tree to hold you in place. The lineman belt goes around the tree when you're setting up a tree stand or for multiple other reasons. So super easy. Grab a knife or whatever, cut off the straps. Be careful not to actually cut the fabric of this stuff and just pitch it. All right, so two things that you need to cut off: this tree belt and the lineman's belt. I'm gonna weigh this entire package with everything on it and see how much the safety harness and all the straps actually weigh. So got the scales here. So I'm gonna set this thing on and then tear it so it goes to 0 and set the safety harness in it. So this is what you would be wearing up in the tree stand. This is how much weight would be on your body. 1 pound and 11 ounces. So that was without the weight of the plastic. This here weighs 1 pound and 11 ounces. So that's honestly not very much extra weight that you're gonna be having on your shoulders to keep you safe in the tree stand. I would recommend that if you had the time and you didn't need the safety harness right away, to wait till the end of season and go to Walmart or Rural King or someplace and pick it up for about half price. They're not hard to find for cheap, and so that's what we did here, and I can't wait to use this fall. So if you want a more full in-depth review about this, I hopefully can be bringing this to you sometime later on, so subscribe if you're not already so that you don't miss out whenever that video drops. We're also putting out a whole bunch of other videos, so subscribe so that you don't. Have fun out there, try out, have fun out there, hey, you're making noise. So if you want a more, and stay safe from COVID, no, JK. If you like this video, make sure, I don't know.